Research Methodology Part 1. Research Methodology. Research is an scientific, systematic and verifiable and systematic investigate approach concerned with a problem or intending to prove or disapprove an hypothesis. Problem solving ordinarily called research. In technical terms refers re plus search equal research. Here re means again or afresh and research means to find out something. Types of research. Descriptive research. Survey-based or fact-finding inquiries of the state of affairs present, where researchers has no control over variables, only reporting has been done. Analytical research. Researchers use fact or information already available and analyze these to make a critical evaluation. For example, market analysis. Fundamental research. It mainly aims with generalization and with the formulation of a theory. Applied research. It aims at finding a solution for an immediate problem facing the society. Quantitative research measures or analysis of numerical data, for example, global temperature, change of the global temperatures. Qualitative research. Qualitative research aim to gather an in-depth understanding of human behavior and the reasons that govern such behaviors. Qualitative research is only observable, observe. Conceptual research. It relates to some abstract idea or theory generally used by philosophers to develop a new concept. Empirical research. It relies on experience or observation alone without due regard for system or theory. It is actually a database research. For example, empirical relations of physics, Kepler's law of motion. Action research. In-depth study as the experimental evaluation. Pure research, for example, Newton's law. Objectives of research. To find out the truth which is hidden and which has not been discovered yet. To develop a theory or concept based on the concerned characteristics. To gain familiarity with the phenomenon or to have a new insight into it. Research design. Research design is the blueprint of research. Research design, it is a strategy. Research design is that guide the process of research. Research design from formulation of research problem to end of the research. Research design is a planning of detailed outline of whole research work. The nature of research design is shaped in light of research problems, objectives and purposes. Research design is also depend on limitation of the study. Research process is start from research problem. Research is a scientific process. Research process to solve problem by study of facts, to gain knowledge, apply of knowledge to resolve the problem. That is the block diagram of research process. Hypothesis. Tentative model or assumption made in order to draw out and test a logical or empirical conclusion. This need an extensive pre-investigation. A good hypothesis has several basic characteristics such as number 1, providing direction. Number 2, hypothesis should be testable. Number 3, hypothesis should be brief, concise and clear. Preparation of a research design. Exploration, description, diagnosis, experimentation. A research design must comprise of the following. Number 1, the sampling design. This deals with the method of selecting subject for the study. Number 2, the observational design. This relates to the condition under which the observations are to be made. Number 3, the statistical design. This deals with how many subjects are to be observed and how the observations are to be analyzed. Next, the operational design. This deals with the specific technique by which the procedure is specified in the sampling, statistical and observational designs can be carried out. Preparation of the sample design. Number 1, deliberate sampling. Next, a random sampling or probability. Next, systematic sampling. Next, cluster sampling, multi-stage sampling, sequential sampling, and stratified sampling. Characteristics of a good sample. A good sample should have the characteristics of representativeness and adequacy. A sample is a small proportion of a population selected for analysis. By observing the sample, certain inferences may be drawn about the population. Samples are not selected haphazardly but deliberately so that the influence of chance or probability can be estimated. Collection of data or types of tools and their uses. Data can be collected by questionnaire and schedules, by interview, by observations, by document, and by observations. Data may be basically two types. They are the primary data and secondary data, and data may be quantitative data and qualitative data. Thanks for your attention. Research methodology part 2 will become in the next episode of video content. Thank you.